Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a step timeline using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and create a long horizontal canvas. Then I draw square custom shapes in a stair-step pattern. Now I adjust each step height to show progression. After that, I apply alternating colors for clarity. Next, I add small circle shapes on each step edge. Now I place date or phase text beside each step. Then I connect steps using thin line shapes. After that, I add soft shadows under each step. Now the timeline feels directional. Then I zoom out to check flow. After that, I refine spacing between steps. Now movement feels natural. Finally, I polish alignment and contrast. This step timeline now feels